The Law Society Council explained. The Law Society is an independent professional body for solicitors across England and Wales. They do a number of different things, including supporting solicitors, offering training, and advocating on behalf of them. They are a big player in influencing the government. They take a proportion of the practice certificate fees from solicitors, and they also have regular consultations on practice certificates. They also engage in a number of different commercial activities, including uses of their property, training, accreditations, and more. The Law Society Council is an elected body of solicitors. There are approximately 100 council members. They essentially help the Law Society in all the work that they do. They have regular meetings throughout the year and ultimately shape policy and change in the legal profession for solicitors. Council members are split into three main groups. Firstly, geographical seats, for example, Birmingham, Manchester. Next, we have work practice areas. So these are seats which represent specific practice areas, for example, business law, immigration. Lastly, you have special characteristic groups. So these are groups which are specific to certain sections of the legal profession, for example, in-house or junior lawyers. This allows everyone to be represented at council. The work of council happens in many different ways. Firstly, by regular meetings by council members. Next, working directly with the teams and departments of the Law Society. Driving change through initiatives and campaigns by the Law Society. And last but not least, representing the views of your constituents at meetings and through different initiatives by the Law Society. Looking at the numbers, the Law Society approximately represents just under 200,000 solicitors, and obviously that depends on whether solicitors are practicing or not. The Council has just under 100 council members that represent qualified solicitors of England and Wales, and there are 6 meetings annually for Council. Council acts very similarly to that of MPs and constituents. Council members represent constituents' views and brings them to the Law Society. So you might be thinking, why apply and why vote in the council elections? So firstly, it allows solicitors to bring direct change in the profession at a national level. You can bring the views of your constituents to the Law Society at a national level, particularly if their views are not often heard or seen. You can collaborate not only with the Law Society, but also other solicitors across the country. You have a direct impact on the future of the profession, and the work of the Law Society allows you to work with key groups such as the SRA, the LSB, and even the government. Watch this space for more exciting content.